Hi, I'm Izzy, and this is Dizzy Quilts and Sews. In today's video, we have the unboxing of the Think Pink Sewscription box number 12, along with my plans for it and the final make. All right, so let's get started opening this box. Now, I have been waiting for this box for what seems like forever, and no fault of Andrea's at Beyond the Pink Door. This box was sent, I think, on January 31st. Today is February 22nd. So it took its sweet time getting here, but it's here. All right, so we've got our beautiful little note telling us what's in the box. So you must have seen all of the unboxings by now if you watch those things. So you probably have an idea of what is in here. I have not avoided the unboxings, so I have watched everybody else's. And I know what's in here. I don't know what color combo I'm getting, because this month we are getting a total of 2 meters of sweatshirting, 1.6 meters of one color, and 0.4 meters in another color. So, all right, let's see. Again, the beautiful, beautiful wrapping and the stickers, which I love. Ooh. All right, let's see. So our postcard, so you can see I have 2 of these 3 colors. And on the back it says, my New Year's resolution, sewing forever, housework whenever. Yes, I'm very lucky because my husband is in charge of housework around here. So yes, I do dishes. That's pretty much all I do. All right. East of India envelope. And there's a beautiful, beautiful card in here. Oh my goodness. I didn't want to rip this. Oh, wow. Look how pretty this is. I love the colors. Irish Dream is the name of the work, and there you go. Oh, we have a bear in the house, so there's that. Oh, my thread color, so that gives me a good idea of what the bigger piece fabric color is. A tea bag, yay. Matcha, green tea and matcha. Some sweets or biscuits. I've never seen these before, so have that with my coffee later. Looking good. Oh, I'm so excited about this. I think I was excited about this one more than the actual fabric. So a cute little nail file. And, oh my gosh, look at this. So this is lip balm. And look how cute this is. I love this. Nice. Now, lip balm is a must-have in Canada in the winter. I can't tell you how dry my lips get, so this is going to be close to me on my desk. All right. Oh, this is going to be, I think, a really nice combo. I'm so happy I got the green and pink. I love this. Love this. And oh my goodness, I can't express how soft this is. This is going to make an amazing sweatshirt. Oh my goodness. Yes. So, because I knew what was coming and because my box was late getting here, I already have plans, firm plans for this. I am going to make the MadeIt Patterns Hug Hoodie. Now, this is a discontinued pattern. Actually, the pattern company closed its doors, I think late last year. But I do have the pattern. I've made it a ton of times. It's one of my TNTs. And typically with my Beyond the Pink Door Think Pink boxes, I like to make TNTs because, yeah, I'm not risking anything with these fabrics. I'm going to make something I know I will wear and love. So the Hug Hoodie, but without the hood. I've made it before just with the crew neck, and I really like that top. So the main body of the sweatshirt is going to be in the green, and then I'll use the pink for the fun hemband and probably for the cuffs as well, and the neckband if I have enough. So, yay! All right, so I have the fabric, I have the pattern. This is getting thrown in the wash right now, and I will be sewing this up this weekend and come back to you when I have my finished top. I'll see you soon. I'm back, and look, all done. So I have made the Hug Hoodie by MadeIt Patterns. Again, it's a discontinued pattern. Actually, the designer just closed her shop, which is really sad because she had a bunch of really nice designs, including this hoodie, which I've now made 2, 3, 4, 5 times. I've done it 3 times with the hood and now twice without the hood, and I absolutely love it. So how I use the fabric, so I use the bigger piece, the 1.6 meter for the body of the sweatshirt, and then I use the accent piece for the neckline, for the cuffs, and as you will see in the pictures, the hemband. I don't know that I would have put these two fabrics together if I had been shopping for fabric myself, which is why I love this box so much. It just forces you to be a little more adventurous, a little more daring, takes you out of your comfort zone at times. So yeah, I'm really pleased. Pastel colors are not usually my thing. I don't know that they are really in my color palette, but actually I think the minty green is. I love this. I love this so much, and this fabric is fabulous to sew, to press, to wear. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. Highly recommend Andrea's fabric. I mean, she has sweatshirting, and I think what they're called is cozy colors, which is just as nice as this is. Fabulous. So I'm really pleased with my new Hug Hoodie. Now, a tiny little bit about the box that Andrea sends out or has on her shop. As far as cost, well, it is 35 euros for the box, and typically you get either 2.5 meters of a woven fabric or from 1.5 to 2 meters if it's a knit fabric. They are always super high quality fabrics. I've not had a single dud. And I am now on my 9th or 10th box. love everything that's been put in those boxes. But also for your 35 euros, you get some surprises in there, a little sweet treat, a gift or a couple of gifts. You get the matching thread, you get a nice card, and Andrea goes through the time or goes through the trouble. I don't know if it's trouble, but she creates a video for each box where she talks about the fabric, what she's made with it, some tips and tricks to sew with it, and some pattern suggestions for it. So, I mean, the whole thing is so worth the money. Now, international shipping used to be 25 euros. Now she's signed a new deal, I guess, with her shipping partner, and I got an 11 euro refund on my February, well, on the box number 13. Yes, box number 13. So, which brings the shipping down to only 14 euros, which is not bad at all for international shipping, really. It does take a little while longer to get here, and most of the time, Andrea tries to ship out her international boxes first so that most people get their box at the same time, which is amazing, amazing. Andrea puts so much thought into her boxes, the packaging, what goes in it, and then goes over and above to make sure that the overall experience for every customer is amazing. So yeah, I'm so happy with my boxes and would highly recommend wherever you are in the world. Now, I just wanted to say I'm not sponsored by Andrea. I'm not affiliated in any way. I am just a huge fan of her shop, and her subscription boxes. All right, well, that'll do it for me today. Hopefully that was fun and interesting to watch. Thank you so much for stopping by. Please give the video a like on your way out if you liked it, and consider subscribing to the channel. Thanks again, and I will see you soon.